Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is day 23 of being productive in coding. Today's problem is linked list and insertion. This is basic level problem, but you should need some basic level knowledge in linked list. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. So they will give one input and we need to add that input to our end of the linked list. That's it. This is simple problem. So here you can see the input is x equal to 6, and we here in the output we have to return with the linked list itself, and also we need to add that element into our end of the linked list. This is the output. So let's solve. For this I will take one variable called temp, variable node pointer, and it is pointing to the head node, and I will loop that one while temp dot next not equal to null. So when I give this condition, it will l- loop each and every element that is present in the list, and it will stop at the end of the linked list, end of the node. So here if we take the example of first one, it will stop up to here. If you want to check, you can check by returning temp. So we will get the output as only 5, because in temp it is holding fifth node. See, our output is 5. That means our temp is pointing correctly to this last one. Now what we have to do, simply we just need to add the x to our temp. That means temp dot next is equal to x. That's it. But one thing we need to do, this x is in the integer data type, right? So we need to convert that integer data type into our node. For this we can do like this. See, normally temp dot next, the end element of the given linked list, the next element should be our new node x. Here I am converting the integer number to node. Now our temp dot next is added to the given x, that is 6. So we need to return the head of the linked list. This is the head, right? Head is not loop, so we need to return the head. Let's compile and run. It passed. Now let's submit the code. Okay, it failed. For input 340, correct output is 340. What's 340? One second. Let me compile and run again. Okay. Do we need to add any edge case? If x equal to 0, simply return null. Why we need to return null if x is equal to 0? No, we should not. If the loop itself, if the node itself is null, if head is equal to null itself, we need to return null like this. Let's submit the code again. It failed. Here I can't even see the input. What is 340? This is okay. If head is equal to null, return node of x. We need to keep new. Now let's submit again. It's passing now. See what's the mistake I have done here means, if head, if the linked list is null and they have given x value, means we need to return that node itself. I hope you all got this edge case. This is the edge case we need to handle. Okay. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel.